Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you to my cue card video where I'm trying to cover the most essential cue cards for Ielts. And the answers I'm giving, these answers will bring you minimum 7 band. As I mentioned several times, my own band score in IELTS speaking, it was 8 at that time, and my IELTS speaking TRF expired long time ago. Anyways, the topic is describe a time when someone asked you for your opinion. Describe a time when someone asked you. Asked is the second form of the verb, and we use it in the past tense. So this cue card is all past tense. You can use past simple or past indefinite, we call it, past perfect at times, and all that. So let's just go on. Different people have different opinions. Never start your answer like this, okay? Because you know, this sentence, this phrase is a very, what you say, very commonly used phrase, right? So anyways, let's see. Opinions are based on the way we think, and different people hold different opinions about the same thing. Today I would like to narrate an incident where I gave my opinion to one of my friends. Well, what happened after completing my FSC? As I completed FSC, after that I had to get admission in a university. One of my friends who was my class fellow as well, and both of us went to the same coaching center, same classes. He and I, we were confused. Finally, I had decided to go for a university, but he was in two minds. He had 2 to 3 options in mind, and he didn't know what to do. His father was recommending him as a university because of the low fee, but he didn't like the education standards of that university. So this friend of mine came to me and he asked me frankly, he said, Asad, what do you say? Where should I get admission? At that time, I was a bit confused because the university I had chosen was a little more expensive than the university his father had chosen for him. Then I asked him, can you afford to study in this university? And he mentioned, yes, I can, because my mother is also a working lady and she can support me and she can pay my half fee, so there is no problem. So then I recommended that university to him, and I told him this is the same university where I have already got admission, and few seats are left in chemical engineering. You can be the part of this university and we can go to the same class. As he had already decided to join chemical engineering, he became very happy. Next day I took him to that university, and in my own guidance I got him get admission there, and afterwards we completed our 4 years graduation from the same university. I felt great about it because we usually give opinion to people but they don't value our opinion. But this friend of mine, he valued my opinion and he acted upon my advice, and it gave me an opportunity to be with my best friend for the next 4 years. Okay, all exaggerated. Yeah, this answer is all exaggerated, so you can come up with anything like this. And remember, if you're good at exaggeration, if you're good at making a little story on the cue card, you will be able to get better bench score. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.